Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I show you a very good tool which is developed by GitHub, which is called as GitHub Codespaces. It lets you develop your code faster with fully configured secure cloud development environments native to GitHub. So it's an editor which is developed by GitHub itself, similar to VS Code, but it directly works in the browser. So if you just type on Google GitHub Codespaces, the very first website which comes, this is official editor by GitHub, and just click on get started for free. And then after that you do this, you'd have this option to create a new code space, and you can also select from a various templates. Either this is a blank one, blank canvas, and then you, if you're creating a React project, you simply click use this template, and then this will create a simple React project. You can see it also supports Express, Next.js, Django, Flask, all the major frameworks. So start from scratch here. So click on use this template to create a brand new GitHub code space, and then it will set up your code space here, and you can see the interface fully looks like VS Code, and it directly runs directly in the browser itself. So there is no need to install anything, and then you just need to say get started with VS Code. So you can choose your theme. So I will simply select one theme here. So as you can see, we selected this theme, and just close this. So here you have all the options. You can create any file here, and here you can use GitHub Copilot for the shortcut. The shortcut is Control I. So here it will ask this window here, ask Copilot. So can ask a question, build a calculator. So just you ask the question. It's similar how you use GitHub Copilot, but now it is working directly in the browser itself. That's called as GitHub Codespaces. So before, you need to install Copilot. So here you just make sure you create a account here, and right here now you can create. You can ask a question here, and then it will generate the response for you directly inside this GitHub Codespaces. So once that response is generated, you can see it created 3 files here. You can even ask follow-up questions as well. So in the drop down you can select which models you will be using here. So by default GPT is using, so you can say that please make all the code in single file. So now it will simply create one file only, where it will generate all the code here. So in this easy way, you copy this code and directly go to your file and simply paste this code. So in this easy way, you can create a blank canvas. Now if you want to create this React project, just click on use this template, and then it will create a React project. So here you can actually save a lot of time by using that template, and then it will generate this React template here in GitHub Codespaces. So by default you can run GitHub Codespaces 50 hours per month. I think this is a limit. After that you just need to sign up for their paid plan. So you can try this tool. It's similar to VS Code. It directly runs in the browser. You can see it simply run that React application. So you can make changes here, and automatically the live preview will be generated. So you can see that. So we are editing our React app and it's constantly updating it, showing us the result. So this is GitHub Codespaces, guys. It's really awesome product by GitHub. It lets you use GitHub Copilot directly with it. You can make any sort of web application using the GitHub Copilot AI feature. It's called as GitHub Codespaces. Definitely try it, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.